Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by giving Chatgpt a tight brief, audience, tone, and a target length. Explain why each choice matters. Tone shapes phrasing and audience engagement. Once done, supply 3 headline options and 1 primary keyword plus 3 related keywords so the model knows SEO goals. Make sure to include any special constraints like conversational voice or technical depth. These first actionable steps get you a usable draft fast, rather than generic filler, so you can move straight into drafting. You now instruct Chatgpt to produce a structured outline with H2 and H3 headings, and then expand each heading into micro-sections. Explain why. Outlines prevent tangents and keep SEO-rich headings intact. Once the outline appears, ask for a 250-400 word intro that hooks, 3 body sections with examples and stats, and a 100-150 word conclusion with a clear CTA. Make sure to request internal link ideas and suggested meta description so you finish by editing and optimizing. Ask Chatgpt to tighten sentences, adjust keyword density, and match your brand voice. Once done, request a meta description, image suggestions, and 3 social captions tailored for different platforms. Make sure to perform fact checks and run plagiarism and readability checks yourself. AI can err. If something goes wrong, regenerate specific sections or ask for alternate phrasings rather than starting over. That saves time and preserves structure while fixing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.